Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
What's your name?
Sonali Kumar.
And how old is your child?
He's 3 years, 3 months.
And where do you stay?
I stay at Bandra East, Government College.
Okay. So basically, what kind of activities were you looking out for your child?
I was looking out for some kind of growth with him, rather than studies, rather than letters, alphabet. Rather than all this, I wanted him to expand more besides studies.
Okay. So what are the options you considered when you were looking out for this?
I wanted to have a play group close to my house, and it should have a quality, some kind of standard. So first of all, I was looking out for a play group where teachers speak in English. I don't wanted them to talk in any other language, regional language.
Yeah.
I normally talk to my child in Marathi.
Okay.
So whenever it's difficult to talk in English to him because the surrounding itself is all with Maharashtrian people.
That's
So
right.
I wanted him to get introduced to a new language, that is English. And that can be done in a common surrounding, as in with other kids also.
Okay.
Wherein teachers talk to other kids, and it should sound very common to him. It should be, after a few days, he should be familiar and he should be comfortable with it.
That's
It shouldn't sound different.
That's
but
right.
if I would have said it, it would have sounded something different and it would have been very difficult for him to catch up. So that is the only reason.
So why did you choose Pinks and Blues?
I chose this, first of all, it's very funny to tell you that about tiffins. I don't wanted him to, carry a different tiffin, and I don't wanted him to get attracted to other kids' tiffins and all. That is a very silly thing. But I thought that timings were really comfortable. I like the staff. They are really good to us. And of course, there is no one thing called ruler. That thing I never found here in this. It's been 1.5 years. I'm coming here and taking him. I can see the improvements in him.
That's right.
And I didn't like the ruler part, and I like all kind of activities. Actually, I have got this information from Kavish, another child here.
Okay.
I got it from him and his mother. Not from his mother. That it's a good school.
Okay.
So I chose to.
So, with your experience, 2 good things that you would like to say about Pinks and Blues?
I like their activity, I like the place, and my son is very comfortable and I like the staff.
Okay. And do you feel there's any area where Pinks and Blues could improve?
To improve, I think. Actually, I have discussed this before. Actually, I wanted them to give some kind of uniform, but because when my son was small. Now he's okay, he's pretty much mature. He had this typical choice, I want to wear this, that. So I just wanted them to take the uniform part, and whatever they are doing Thursday is color day, that's fine. But I just wanted them to go for a uniform. That's my personal view of looking at it. Because I'm going to continue him to junior KG also. So I want him to look himself in a uniform or something.
That's right. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend this place to some other parent?
So I should go for 4.
Okay. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.